Let's do a tour. Living room. Oop. And close that front door. Nice floors. Lots of space. Oh, notice the ceiling is sloped. It goes up really high and comes down, and that gives it a really nice feel. That's the main view. No one's looking in on you. Really cool. Now this lamp could change to be your style over the dining room table. Here's the kitchen. We just refreshed those walls and the cabinetry. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And I love that stove with the steel in the middle. I cook my breakfast eggs there. And view out the kitchen window. Really nice refrigerator. Let me give you a peek. Yay! This is cool. You have the tall space here, lots of storage. Balcony. And this is looking almost due south. Gonna have nice onshore breezes here. So let's go take a look at the back. Since we're doing the long form tour, there's heat here for the front room, and then there's heat here for the 2 bedrooms. And let's take a look at the bathroom. This is the full bath. There's heater there, standard stuff. And the extra half bath, cabinetry, standard stuff. So here is the bigger bedroom, also with the high ceiling and a walk-in closet. So that's plenty of closet space. Nice wood floors, green view that direction, lots of afternoon light on this side, and sunrise is over there. And it's nice and quiet in here. On this side. Oh, here is the hallway closet. And this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. It has a regular closet, but it still has the very high ceilings and the high gloss, pretty wood floor. More green view. All right, so that's the apartment. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. That's the half bath. Good sized living room, dining area, efficient little galley kitchen, and gas cooking. It's a really nice feature. All right, thank you very much for coming for the full tour. Look me up and send me a message if you're interested in renting here or want to know about my other apartments for rent. Thank you very much.